Imagine a salad that tastes like your favorite item off a charcuterie board. That's one of the dishes Foodland Ontario home economist Teresa Makarewicz has for us today. Good morning, Teresa.
Good morning. Nice to see you.
Yeah, great to see you, and great to see what you have for us, because you always bring so much color and bountiful tastiness when it comes to your dishes. So what do you have? What do you have for us today?
I got lots of local goodness. So I'm making a charcuterie salad, and I'm also going to make a quinoa tabbouleh salad that's a crowd pleaser. So we'll start with the charcuterie board or charcuterie salad that has all the flavors of the charcuterie board. And you can find it on our website, foodlandontario.ca. So to make the salad dressing, very simple. I find homemade salad dressings add so much flavor. You simply combine balsamic vinegar, olive oil, a little bit of local honey, Dijon, garlic, salt, and pepper. And I make this ahead of time. I keep it in the refrigerator, and I also like to put it on some grilled vegetables. So on my platter, I already have some leaf lettuce, and also spinach. You could use whatever tender greens you might find at the market or at the grocery store. And we're going to add our flavors of the charcuterie salad. Fresh raspberries are in season right now, blueberries, and we have peaches. So you could change it up to whatever you would find or whatever you enjoy. For our cheese option, I have two. I have some Furlano cheese, which is a nutty, it's mild flavor.
What's the name of it? What's the name of it again, Teresa?
Furlano. I'm probably pronouncing it incorrectly. It's an Italian Furlano.
Okay.
It comes round, but you could change it up if you have cheddar on hand. Go ahead and use some cheddar. That would be great.
But it's good to probably have a hard cheese there. That's a hard cheese, right?
That's a hard cheese, and then I'm adding a soft cheese, which is my goat cheese, and I'm using an herb goat cheese. And we also have meat on our charcuterie salad. So I have some prosciutto crisps, super easy to make. You just put them, 2 paper towels, and put them into the microwave and microwave them for 2 minutes. Let them stand for a little bit, and you'll see how lovely crisp that they are, and add those. And for some sweetness, we do have some maple walnuts. So simply in a dry skillet, toast your walnuts with a little bit of Ontario maple syrup. And again, you can make all of this ahead of time. And to finish it off, I have our baguettes that I've lightly toasted. You could do it on the barbecue because it is hot out. You might not want to be doing it in your oven.
That salad is perfect, though, to take to, let's say, a dinner party or a backyard party, because it doesn't take all that much. But look the way it presents. It presents so well to share.
Exactly, and you can bring all the components and then just assemble it. Super easy, super flavorful, and it's impressive. Now, the next salad is a quinoa tabbouleh salad, and this is a crowd pleaser. You could take it for picnics. For our dressing, I already have equal amounts of lemon juice and also olive oil. I'm adding some delicious Ontario garlic that I pressed through the garlic press. For flavorings, I have sumac, dried sumac, and also salt, which gives it a nice citrusy flavor, just helps the ingredients to pop. I've cooked up already my quinoa, Ontario quinoa, and also frozen edamame. So we're going to add that into the dressing. And so you're getting lots of protein here. So it makes for a great vegetarian option too. And we're finishing it up with some diced tomatoes. Now, I have taken the seeds out because I like to make this salad ahead of time and store it in the refrigerator. Now, if you leave the seeds, you just might get a little bit a watery dressing. But
how long would it be good in the fridge for, Teresa?
Oh, I would keep it for a day or two. It usually doesn't last that long, though. And for the herbs, I have fresh parsley and I have mint, and the herbs just add a real punch of flavor. When you bring your herbs home, I like to store it in a jar with water and I wash them, and then put a plastic bag and store it in the refrigerator, and they'll store for quite a long time. So you could just use them as you need.
Awesome.
And we finish this off with green onions, and you're ready to go on your picnic.
Awesome. So you just mix that up all together for when you put it together?
Yes, you do. You mix it all together, and I have it here in little jars, and I even added, for variation, add some salty feta cheese with a little bit of crushed red pepper flakes.
Teresa,
And you're good to go.
You're absolutely the best. That's why we love having you on, because there's something about salads that when somebody else is making them, specifically you, they look so much better, and I bet you they taste better too. Foodlandontario.com?
.ca. For the
Foodlandontario.ca.
Correct.
Have a great weekend, and look forward to seeing you in studio very soon, Teresa Makarowicz from Foodland,
Bye-bye.
Ontario.